Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Tacoma headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the engine is cool to the touch for safety. It's also a good idea to wear protective gloves. This prevents oils from your skin from getting on the new bulb, which can shorten its lifespan. Now, open your vehicle's hood and locate the headlight assembly you need to work on. You'll see an electrical connector attached to the back of the bulb. Carefully disconnect this by pressing a tab or pulling it straight off. Next, identify any retaining clips, springs, or screws that hold the bulb in place. Gently unclip or unscrew these to free the old bulb. With the retaining clips released, you can now carefully pull the old headlight bulb straight out of its housing. Take your new bulb and, holding it by its base, gently insert it into the headlight assembly. Remember not to touch the glass part of the bulb with your bare hands. Once seated, reattach any retaining clips or screws, then firmly reconnect the electrical connector. Finally, before closing everything up, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to ensure it's working properly. Check both low and high beams. Once confirmed, you can close the hood securely. Remember to dispose of your old bulb responsibly. Also, for staying refreshed on the go, check out the Owala water bottle and other great deals linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.